Previously, you probably just installed your Plex media server. You're streaming it, but you realize the next couple days, you look at your C drive and you're like, oh good golly gosh, why is my C drive so full of everything? I'm going to show you why real quick. What you're going to do, Windows key R, you're going to type in this, local app data cache on each side with a that symbol. And it's going to pull this up. Type in PL, look for Plex media server. Right click in this folder and go ahead and let that calculate. And mine's already moved. Alright, so what you're going to do is go ahead down here at this bar, right click this, you're going to hit exit. Right click on the taskbar, task manager. Open this up. Go to services. Wait for it to pop up. Hit PL again. Look for Plex update service. Right click. Stop. While that's doing its thing, you're going to go ahead and grab that Plex media server folder. Now, wherever you want it to go. Mine's in my X drive, for instance. You can put it wherever you want, basically. Mine's going to go under the program files. I'm going to put it under Plex. And I'm going to just dump all the files right here. Just put it right here, as you see right here. Now, you're going to go in and you're going to create a new file. As you see, create this file, just this entire string. You're going to actually create this folder in here. Like I said, dump it in here. You're going to grab this folder. You're going to create this program. You don't have to do this, but Plex cache. So you can do like X, E, D, whatever the letter is. Create that. Put it wherever you want. It's Plex, you can just make a cache folder. You're going to right click it. You're going to go to copy. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go to the next step. Windows key R. You're going to type in, this time, register edit. It'll probably look like this. You're going to go to H key current user, open it up. You're going to look for software. Hit PL on the keyboard. Look for Plex media server. You're going to make this file. This is not a file that's in here. Right click, new, string value. Type it in exactly like you saw it, where it said local app data path. I'm just doing this for show. Modify it. Right click, paste. Okay, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Did you restart it? Alright, go ahead, open up Plex. If Plex is not on startup, go ahead, start up Plex. Plex should pop right up. You can run it as administrator, it doesn't really matter. And there you have it. Now you have everything you need to know where things are, and it's as simple as that. Let it run, let it update. It should take a little bit of time. Sometimes resetting the server may also help if you're curious. That's pretty much all you need to know. That was less than 3 minutes. It did not take any time at all to make this. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you'd like to support me, my coffee and buy me a coffee are down below. Thank you for watching. Later.